Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Ranu Chauhan.
Ranu, since when have you been coming to Dek Coaching?
I have been coming here for from 1 month.
For 1 month.
Yes,
Okay, so what have you learned till now?
I learned many things
Like?
like to be, to have, models, verbs, tenses, and practice.
More and more practice?
Yes.
Okay, so did you like the practice?
Yes, I liked the practice.
Okay, what kind of changes have you seen in your personality in a month?
I have many changes like in my personality. Firstly, what speaking, listening, and how to pronounce the things, and how to convince the people
Okay.
to speak, and communication skills are also good.
Okay, so Ranu, please tell me something about Dek Coaching classes. Would you please tell me something about Dek Coaching classes?
Yes, I would like to tell.
Yeah, say in detail.
Firstly, Dek coaching is a good coaching because the learning and teaching style is very good of teachers, and many things learned from Dek coaching. Personality development, and with study you learn many things like knowledgeable things. What kind of knowledge do you have, and if you have not any goal, so firstly you determine your goal and how to communicate with people in abroad. So Dek coaching is teaching more and more things apart from English.
Okay, so why should other students take admission in Dek Coaching classes?
क्यों लेना चाहिए? Because if you come here, so firstly your English speaking is very good, and your personality is also improve, and communication skill is also improve if you come here, and various types of knowledge is also increased in English, about English, and how to speak fluently, and how to build confidence to speak in English. So these things.
Okay, so Ranu, would you please tell me something about English language, that there are so many people those who are learning this language?
Yes.
But why should we learn this language, and what is the importance of English language?
English is very important for student life also, and if we go foreign country, and also in India, various types of work in English only, like internet is used in English, and if you study some competitive exams, English is very important for us. And if we meet something new person, if he or she only speak English, so English is very important for us also.
Okay, so is learning English necessary for our career also?
Yes sir, English learning is learning English is also important for career, because if we are in a competitive exam, many exams are written only in English. So
Okay.
firstly you grammatically portion is also covered in Dek coaching, and so because if you learn English and speak English, so firstly you grammatically also correct, and in competitive exams also.
Okay, apart from government sector, is English necessary for private sectors?
Yes sir, English is also necessary for private sector also, because many interview and many jobs are required firstly in English. So English is important
Okay,
there also.
if there is a person he wants to get a job
Yes.
in any kind of private company, in good
Yes.
company, and if he doesn't know English language, can he get that job or not?
No sir, because firstly in many
Yes.
companies, and we get if you get job, firstly you know about English, and interviewer first you interview in English language. So
Okay, he will take interview only in English language.
yes sir,
And if you don't know English, then
then
we will not be selected.
yes sir.
Okay, so Ranu, what are you doing to learn English?
Uh, if you want to learn English,
No, actually I'm asking to you that what are you doing to learn English?
firstly I joined the Dek coaching for
Okay.
learning English, and I learned many things that I tell some.
Okay, I told you before sometime.
Yes, sir.
And
I have learned many things in English. Firstly you listening, speaking, reading, and writing. 4 things if you are doing,
okay,
so your English is improve.
okay, means you just want to say that if we are just working on 4 kind of things like listening, speaking, reading, and writing, so our English will be good.
Yes sir.
So are you doing work on 4 kind of things?
Yes sir, I do.
You do.
Yes.
Every day you do it or not?
Yes sir, I do every day.
Okay. So how many hours do you listen English language?
I listen 30 minutes daily.
Every day?
Yes.
Okay. And how many times and how many hours do you read book?
1 hour I read book.
1 hour you every day read a
Read
book.
book.
Okay. And just tell me something about writing. What about writing? How many pages do you write in a day?
Sir, 1 page I write.
I write only one
One
page
page
every
every
day.
day.
Okay, so whenever you are just reading and listening and writing,
Yes.
so you get some kind of difficult words. So what do you do that time
Uh,
to understand that difficult word? What do you do?
Firstly, I search on Google.
Okay.
And pronunciation is also available on Google. So
Okay.
firstly, I checked on Google. So what is the meaning and what is the pronunciation of this word?
Okay.
So I cleared that, and
cleared
I
that.
have learned many verbs from that.
Okay. So what are the advantages of listening, speaking, reading, and writing? If we are just working on 4 kind of things again and again and continuously, if we are just working on it. So what are the advantages of it?
It is essential for learning English. So
It is essential for learning English.
Yes.
Okay.
So you improved your English for these 4 things. If you can do these 4 things, you learn English easily.
Okay. So Ranu, just tell me, when did you come to coaching today? At what time did you come to coaching today?
I
Cam?
came coaching at 11 a.m. today.
Okay. I think your time is at 10 o'clock, but you come at 11 o'clock. Why?
Because sir, my bus is late now.
Because your bus is late.
Yes.
Your bus is late or you were late?
Yes, I also was late.
I was also late.
Yes.
Okay. So how long do you sit in deck coaching? कितने देर बैठते आप deck में?
Sir, I seated here.
I sit here.
I sit here for 4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours.
Yes.
Every day you sit here.
Yes.
Okay. So do you do practice here or not?
Yes, sir. I do practice here.
Okay. So just Ranu, I just want to know about failures and success and goal also. So would you like to speak about it?
Yes.